Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to the Forestry Mulcher from McLaren Industries. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the grease points on this machine. And every 10 hours, you're going to want to go ahead and do this because it'll help prevent downtime on your machine. So the first one here we're going to introduce you to is the rotary bearing. So basically you're going to take this, put your grease gun in here, and you're basically going to pump it 8 times. All right, then you'll go across to the other side. We'll have another rotary bearing on this side. I'm not going to grease it for you. I'm just going to show you where it's at. It's right here, and approximately you do the same thing. You're going to pump 8 pumps of the grease into that bearing. Okay, perfect. And then from there, we're going to go to the motor support bearing. It's right underneath the step to get into the machine, the bearing. So you're going to do this bearing also 4 times the support bearing. And by doing this, fellas, I think it's going to really help prevent any downtime with the machine. Thank you.